Hello everyone, I'm Deepika and this is Srivira from Approx Tech Private Limited. We are a startup incorporated since 2020 and we are all the way from Coimbatore, Tamil Nadu. So we basically are working on developing medtech innovative devices that too focusing on a non-invasive method of diagnosis to make people more comfortable their diagnosis method of things done in the recent times in the medical ecosystem. Latest innovation which we have came upon is the backdoor cardiography. It's a diagnostic method that been devised into a device for heart attack analysis. In the right time, we have been coming to the Samvardhan Accelerator program organized by PATES and Studio Carbon in collaboration with. And I guess this is the right time we have been coming into the contact since we are in the developing of the prototyping stage. We lack more resources and also we lack more expertise knowledge to just take our product into the next stage of development. So we are majorly unaware of the regulatory process and all and actual concerns when we enter into the manufacturing concern and also launching it to the public. So in between this gap, there are a lot of things to be seen and various parameters to be looked into at a very minute stage. So in this 1 week of bootcamp with Studio Carbon and with PATES, so we have also figured out what are the challenges actually we need to face in the phase of taking it to the commercialize into the market. So there are various stringent steps inside that and minute things to be noted in that. So in this 1 week bootcamp in the design sprint and various activities being conducted here, we came upon with a lot of insights and lot of inputs we have got after considering the regulatory processes and manufacturing design, industrial design experts. We have been come across various insights of industrial design experts and the medical devices, certifications experts and various other people who have been in the market. So we have just figured out our clear pathway to launch our product into the market. So definitely we are in a very confident stage that along with PATES and along with Studio Carbon team, experts and officials. So I think we have been in the right pathway along with the right team. So we are in a very confident stage that we'll be definitely taking this product into the market and we just achieve the impact for which this product has been created for. Yes, thank you to the PATES team and the Studio Carbon team for having given a wonderful opportunity to be a part of the accelerator program and taking a journey apart in our startup journey.